Analytics and innovation is not just about product length. It's about AccuGrade, and I assume a lot more. Are there other elements that are pulled into play here?
I mean, the message we're trying to deliver is that we have to understand the customer pain points, and that doesn't just involve our equipment. That involves all their assets. They may have a job delayed because they can't find their scissor lift. Or material, RFID tags, telematics on any brand, that entire job site. Understand the entire flow and processes of the customer's job site via that data, whether it's our equipment or not, is highly critical.
Okay. Can you talk a little bit about the kinds of pain points that Caterpillar is focusing on initially in this effort? Because I'm sure it's going to be an expanding world where you're going to learn more as you get deeper into it.
It's a really broad question and a tough one to answer, Larry, because it depends on the customer. But you can imagine in today's difficult economic times, they're wanting to utilize and maximize their asset utilization. So dispatch, do we have the right piece of equipment? Being able to make sure that the flow and the processes, that the customer's getting the data they need to understand if they're making the progress they need to complete the job on time. Can they predict with the data where there's going to be a bottleneck on a particular road that needs to be put in, or a ditch that needs to be dug, or fill that needs to be brought in? Is the compaction correct? Did we run into some material that we didn't think geologically was going to be there, and that's caused an issue? And did I get that information quick enough to come out with a counter plan?
Yeah. So in a sense, for the veterans out there, the system, the Product Link, AccuGrade, the system for communicating with machines sounds like it can kind of create a virtual production study on their project site.
There are customers out there that have forgotten more about earth moving than I'll ever know. So this isn't to suggest that we're going to know how to do their business better. But we think we can bring some tools, maybe a consultative kind of approach, that once we understand what issues they are having, regardless of their experiences, maybe we have something that can help them out. In that same light, it has to be scalable. Not everybody needs all of the things that we plan to have offered. The pain points and the customer type and the application will determine what they want.